Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I'm going on a little lunch date and I'm gonna take you guys along with me so you guys will see where I'm going, what I'm eating, who I'm meeting. So if you guys want to see all of this, please remember to stay tuned. Also remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and remember to check out my other channel called Yardments and my other videos and playlists. So let's go guys. Okay guys, I made it. I'm gonna get a little wet because the rain just come down out of nowhere, but I'm actually at Broken Plate today. I'm on a date. I will show you my date if she wants to be shown. But yeah, I'm gonna try to take you through as much of what we're doing as possible, but you know, we have to spend time, I have to chill. I want to show you guys the place. Hopefully I get to do that. It's not super crowded, so hopefully I get to show you guys. But yeah, stay tuned. So I decided to get some soup. The soup that I have today is chowder. It's garlic, shrimp, pumpkin, and garlic, shrimp, pumpkin. Yeah, I think it's garlic, shrimp, pumpkin chowder. So I decided to get that. It's already steaming. It came out pretty quickly. I mean, it's raining as it is right now. So I'm gonna see how this goes. I'll let you know how it tastes. I'm still not showing my guest until I'm ready. Alright guys, so I've been drinking my soup and trust me, it's really good, like creamy, nice, bad. You can taste the little pieces of shrimp in there, the pumpkin is blended to perfection. People, nice, bad. Would definitely recommend 10 out of 20. No lie, 20 out of 20. So we have another appetizer here. It's a crab cake. It looks like actually really nice, like really awesome. I don't know how it will taste. You know, my date will tell me how it is. But this is what it looks like. I think it looks really good. Presentation on point. It looks like it have like carrot and cabbage and different stuff. But I'll hear how it tastes and let you guys know. So my entree or main course is here. I got the rum barbecue spare ribs. And I got it with some garlic mashed potato. It looks really good, and a little salad is there as well. And my date, she got salmon, grilled salmon, with garlic mashed potatoes as well, looking really nice. Got a little steamed veg on the side as well. So we're gonna grub and then we'll tell you how it is. So we're getting desserts. We got desserts. So this is Oreo s'mores brownie. The marshmallows are at the top and the brownie is here, and I guess some Oreo is on the top of it right there. So we're gonna grab this. My friend got a tiramisu cheesecake, so that's what she's grubbing on. And my meal before was good, but I'm gonna give you guys a full review of everything when I'm finished eating this though. So I'll see you in a few. Alright guys, so they have an outside area that you can sit, but we came when it was raining, so we didn't get to sit outside, but now it's cleared up a little bit. And they have a nice little backdrop here, a nice little view of the city, nice little swing chair here for the pictures, and a little backdrop here for the pictures. Yeah, it's a nice cute setting outside. Yeah, probably if I come back next time, you know, can take advantage of the outside seating. But yeah, cute, nice. So if you're wondering where Broken Plate is, they were previously around General Foods in Leganing side, around that side, but they moved to this plaza. It's Progressive Plaza off Barbican Road. If you guys know where Sovereign North is. It's literally right across the road from there. That's Sovereign North over that side. So yeah, this is the plaza. They have a couple other stuff over there. Another restaurant, Chez Maria, is on that side, and I think they're just really starting to occupy this new plaza. A lot of the slots are still empty. So yeah, this is where Broken Plate is. So I'm actually back home already. Yeah, I'm back home already. I had a really good time. It was really fun catching up with my friend. It was just like, you know, a pre-birthday lunch, and I really enjoyed it. I must say, Broken Plate was a great experience. I always hear people talk about Broken Plate, never been there before. I always know that their cuisine is sort of different, not the usual in terms of what you get in restaurants in Jamaica. And yeah, their menu is like quite extensive. You guys can go online and check out their menu, and I know from time to time it does change, so they do have a changing menu. But overall, it was good. My soup was excellent. Like, it was nice and thick and creamy. 10 out of 10, would recommend. The next thing I had was, oh, and my friend's crab cake. It was really good as well. So you guys, we definitely recommend those 2 appetizers to you. And then for our entree, our main course, you saw that we had I had the ribs and mashed potatoes. Excellent, tender. You know, you go someplace sometime and boy, the meat tough, I'm not lie, but it wasn't. It was soft, it was tender, literally falling off the bone. The barbecue rum sauce, nice. Mashed potato, nice, seasoned to perfection. They had a little salad, and it was nice. So I don't know what kind of dressing they used, but it was really nice. And my friend had the salmon and the mashed potatoes as well, and she really enjoyed that. So entree, excellent, again, excellent. And then for dessert, we decided to get desserts. I had a s'mores brownie thing, and it was good. It was so good. It was so good. It was legit so good. So good. It was just rich and creamy and nice. And my friend had a tiramisu cheesecake, which was also excellent. So overall, I really enjoyed the experience. I would definitely go again, and I would recommend it to any one of you guys as well. If you want to see the different things that they offer, they do have a website. You can check them out at brokenplate.com. I think that's what it's called. If I don't know, I'll put the link in the description, so you guys can click the link in the description with their website and check out what other menu items they have to offer. The ambience of the place was nice. The service was good. It was very quiet. You know, we chilled, we chat, we had a good time. Nobody in a bad way. Our server was excellent. I didn't get his name, but big up yourself to our server. He was really nice. And yeah, overall it was a good experience. So guys, you know, I'm a good panda vlogging thing. You know, I really wanted to be in the moment, so I don't necessarily have a whole lot of footage for you guys, but I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of my little day, my little lunch date. I hope you guys remember to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more vlogs, please leave that in the comment section below. Remember to check out my previous videos and my playlists and all of that, and also check out my other channel called Yardmens. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.